Hey everyone, welcome to Weller channel. Today, I'll show you how to fix an error when Microsoft Store won't download apps or games. First, let's check if we have enough disk space. Type storage and go to storage settings. Here you can see our disk. I have 196 GB of free space, so that's fine. Next, search for Microsoft Store, right-click it, select App Settings, then click Terminate, Repair, and Reset. If that doesn't work, open PowerShell and enter two commands. They'll be in the description. Press enter after each command. That's it, folks. This was Weller. Hope it helped. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye.